In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful 5 steps infographic in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to format background. We will give it some different color. Go to view grid line, enable grid line, go to insert shape, take this curve line shape and draw this zigzag line. Shift Control and click, make its width high, its width to maybe 8. Go to shape outline, white outline, take a rounded rectangle, hold Shift Alt and drag it. Go to shapes, take a rounded rectangle from 2 sides, shape outline, make it no outline, place it here and make its corner more rounded. It's okay now, and place it here. Select this one, shape outline, make it no outline, and we will give it some gradient. This is the gradient that we will choose for this. We will give it some shadow effects. Transparency will be maybe 77 and 107, maybe 8 is okay, 9. Give it also a shadow effect. Transparency will be 67, 70, 71. Maybe it's okay. Take a triangle, draw a triangle and rotate by holding Shift. Select Control Shift C and select Control Shift V to transfer the effect of the shape. Send to back. Go to insert. We will take this line segment, draw this line segment. Line goes from the center to the shape. Place it at the center of the curve. I think it's okay for now. Make it a shape outline. Make it a little bit gray. Shape outline, go to dashes and select this one. I have some written text that I will bring it to this slide. To save the time, I bring the written text. Control V to place in here. We'll give it some white color to this font. Go to insert text, step 1, select. You will select some beautiful font, Montserrat, and click OK. Make it bold, white, no, gray color, and place it here. Select Ctrl D to duplicate it and place it here. Ctrl D to duplicate it and place it here. Again Ctrl D to duplicate it and rotate by holding Shift. Ctrl G, I think we are going to Ctrl G to group it and rotate. Place it here. Go to ungroup it again, and we will delete the upside down text and bring the right side text to the shape by Ctrl D to duplicate it and place it here. Ctrl D to duplicate it and place it here. To select by holding Shift, deselect this one and Ctrl D to duplicate it and place it here. Four, 3, change these number 3 and 5. We'll give it some shadow effect to this main line, to the center line. We will give it some shadow effect that it is going to it will look like a premium design. Select this one and give it some different color, and we will pick this color by the help of eyedropper. Select this one and recent color is this. Again select and go to more colors, make it light. Okay, we will pick this color through eyedropper. Select this one, select the recent color, and again more color. Make it light, that the premium that the gradient is going to visible. Select another stop, recent color. Select this one and go to more color, make it light. Pick the eyedropper and select this color. Select recent color and make it more light. Let the gradient become visible. Control Shift C and Control Shift V. Control Shift C to transfer the color to the triangle. Control Shift V. Same as Control Shift C and Control Shift V. Control Shift C and Control Shift V. take the all shape and hold Shift Alt and drag it, place it here, Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the effect of the shape. Control Shift C and select Control Shift V. Control D to duplicate it. Okay, Control Shift V. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the effect of the desired shape. We will bring some icon. We need 5 icons. You can bring your desired icon. You can find also your desired icon in here.